Pip, Milo, and Lumi, a lively trio, took flight under the vast open sky. They chirped melodiously, their calls echoing joyfully through the morning air. Their mission was clear: find a delicious breakfast to share with their friends. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind pushed them off course, separating Pip from the others. Lost and alone, Pip felt a pang of worry in his small bird heart. Milo and Lumi, determined, called out, searching for their missing friend Pip. Pip heard their familiar chirps and flew towards the comforting sound. Reunited, they shared a joyous moment, flapping their wings in celebration. Together, they found a bountiful berry bush, more than enough for everyone. They learned that even strong winds cannot break the bonds of true friendship.